Alright guys, 2020 VW GLI. They came all the way to Atlanta, 4 hours away. So we're doing, they're friends, we're doing both truck and car at once. So we just finished the VW and we're doing the Tacoma, true dual. So we'll let you guys hear both of them. Anyways, what we got done on this one, high flow cat, primary up there somewhere. Then we did a resonator delete there, as you can see. Kept everything else the same. Then it wides out the back into two mufflers, there and there. And we really appreciate them coming out all the way from Atlanta. They took the day off from work to come here, so we really do appreciate it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. All right, guys, so you saw round one. This is round two, okay? 2020 GLI. So we did the high flow cat there, resonator delete there. There'll be a link in the description for that. And then now we did a muffler delete there and there and added some 4-inch black rolled tips to complete the look. Make it look sexy. What did we do? Make it look
loud and proud.
Loud and proud. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It needs more. Give me gas. That's enough? That's nothing, dude. What are you talking about?
That's what I wanted.
You need two vibrants in the middle.
That's what I wanted to do, but...
Two vibrants where the mufflers are.
Yeah, I think you need to take the mufflers out.
Give it gas again. There's barely anything. Again? It's turbo, right? Yeah, that too. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. It's not doing anything. What do you want to do? It's a manual too, huh? It's a little, but barely anything. Barely. You can hear it at the end like, yeah, barely. All right.
Take it on a rip and
Let you guys hear it on the inside. There we go. Finally.
There we go.
Yeah. You can actually hear it. Again. There's the two mufflers we cut off right there. Again. Here's sound decibels. Two-step it. One more. Yeah, it's right up 101.
Yeah, 101 is way better.
Especially with it being turbo. It's got a nice idle to it too.
Oh,
You can actually hear it now.
yeah.
Dude, did you see what just a resonator delete? It didn't do anything. Yeah, that sounds really good. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. VW GLI turbo resonator, high flow cat, and rear muffler delete and black tips. Yeah. Yeah. Look at the wind pickup. Look. You know it's all gonna be